Hi, I'm Heidi Appel, a critical care pediatrician in DC. I live in Virginia. I want to thank these leaders for continuing to shine a hard light on a looming disaster that threatens the lives, health, and safety of millions of American families. As a doctor who has served my community for years and takes care of some of the sickest children, I see and hear firsthand how healthcare cuts hurt people. My patients, their families, and even some of my coworkers are growing worried and fearful about being able to afford their health care. For years, health care has been growing more expensive and harder to access. Families and communities across Virginia, DC, and the whole nation are at risk of losing their health care. One of my patients, a teenage boy with insulin-dependent diabetes, rationed his insulin because his family couldn't afford the cost. He went into a diabetic coma and was found unresponsive. In the hospital, there was nothing we could do to reverse the damage caused by a lack of insulin. His brain herniated and he died. While I wish no parent would ever make the cry of anguish that I hear in the pediatric ICU, I do wish that policymakers had to hear the sound of a parent who has lost their child or watch me tell a parent that their child has died because they couldn't access the health care they deserve. Without the Affordable Care Act tax credits, families I see every day will face impossible choices. Do they keep their insurance or do they keep a roof over their heads? Do they buy the medicines their child needs or do they buy groceries for the week? No parent should ever have to make those choices, and yet that is exactly what will happen if these supports disappear. These kids don't have lobbyists. They don't have political power. What they have are parents who love them fiercely and doctors like me who will fight for them with everything we have. But no matter how hard I fight in the PICU, I can't fight policy decisions that strip away their access to care. These lawmakers must be held accountable. Thank you.